3 and over. In the last one, he made it to 9 off the over. 7 of 8 deliveries. Adil Rashid, 2 of 4. And the difficulty is gonna get bigger now, because in comes Mustafizur Rahman. Picked up a wicket. 15 runs is so far given in 3 overs. This is last over.
The one that goes across. The first one, once again, is the change of pace delivery. Already picked up Sikandar Raza of the change of pace delivery. Just held into the surface because it was a cutter. Sikandar Raza with a simple cotton bowl to the fizz. Bakar, you and me were on before the show. Wasim and Michael Hazeman had spoken about the art of slow bowling, the deception and the numerous varieties now the bowlers have. Had to run through very quickly, had to hit. And we saw a split of Ajay Kumar and Mustafizur Rahman. And there's a few bowlers, but I just find the Fizz probably has the most unique action. And it's not the only one with that wrist almost spinning, like, if you may draw comparisons, like Murli's wrist used to. Obviously left hand, right hand, but it's not the conventional cutter.
Yeah, he's very different to most of the left armers, should I say, or even the right arm fast bowlers who bowls those really good, cutters and have the back of the ball deliveries. And you're 100% right that because he's got such a very unique kind of action, and he's also, his wrist is so kind of springy, then he can just flick the ball out of the wrist, and that is why it is hard to pick. And he bowls a quicker delivery of the very same action, and that is the most difficult part, that you don't know which way to go. Should I just play him as a slow delivery, or should I just go pick up as a pacer, because he mess up with your technique. Zahoor on the left, the slow bouncer, he's bowled well in one of the games, and this is a back of the hand, and a very good one. Look at that. It's such a difficult art. I don't know how these guys do that. My God. If I would have tried in my younger age, I would have broken my shoulders or maybe my wrist, because these guys are so unique.
A slap straight back pass. That's a great strike from Harmeet Singh. Follows up his 6 off the previous over with now a boundary to the Fizz. Important runs, all of these for the Warriors towards the back end of the first innings here.
That's a real good shot. Another slow delivery. He picked up nicely. And the best thing he did, he looked to hit straight. He didn't go across the line. Because going across the line means you're giving opportunity, you're giving chance to the bowler to get your top edge. Mid-off still in the circle.
Clipped into the leg side, should be just the one. The other thing, just probably closing note on the slow deliveries, is that Mustafizur Rahman and Zahoor Khan have the highest percentage of slow deliveries bowled in the tournament. Around 60 to 65% of their deliveries respectively in the innings that they bowl are slow deliveries. And the surfaces in this tournament have favoured them, hence why they've used them so often. They obviously are very good at the execution of it. We saw one game against My Emirates ADKR in Abu Dhabi, where Zahoor Khan bowled a great spell towards the back end, picked up 3 wickets in that death phase, all of slow deliveries. This is very effective and very smart, and does find the fence. So great improvisation for Harmeet Singh. Over goes for 12. 120.